Hey, how's it going, guys? Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Wanted to bring you out to the water to check out a 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. As you can see from the exterior, we have the platinum gray hull color. Absolutely killer looking package, especially with our bimini top and boot and black Mercury outboard. Cannot beat it. So jump on board and check out some more features. All right, guys, now on board the 17 Montauk, starting back here in the stern. Want to point out a couple features. First of all, we have a 115 horsepower Mercury outboard. This thing is actually running right now, so if you're looking for a really efficient motor that's extremely quiet but sips on fuel, for this little boat, you really cannot beat it. We also do have the swim platform with the ladder off the back. And then we also have some really cool jump seats back here. So you can have these deployed when you're traveling down the lake, or you can actually pull these guys out of place and have a rod holder combo right there. So very flexible interior as far as storage goes, or just having really comfortable seats. Now, as we go to the helm seat right here, I want to point out that we do have a 3-position seat right here as well. You can change your comfortability as far as that goes, and then you also do have the live well interior underneath the seat. So this is a boat that does have the fishing package on board, so you've got to have that stuff on board. Then coming up here to the helm, we have really everything that you should need, including a Simrad chart plotter. This is one of the new NSX series. So we have the chart plotter listed right here, great detail on the maps, and you can have things such as depth finder and also have a fish finder for the fish that you may or may not catch that day. Really nice switch panel off to the right-hand side where we're going to have access to our bilge and all of our lighting systems, and then even our smart craft gauge to give us info like fuel and other information such as like looking at info on the engine, so that way you can make sure it's running properly. Then, also being a small fishing boat, you got to have some entertainment on board, and we do have a JL Audio sound system on this guy. You're going to have a head unit right there, and also 2 JL Audio speakers around the helm, and 2 more JL Audio speakers right in front of the engine. And then last but not least, guys, coming up to the bow, a couple things to note as we're walking through here as well. We do have the complete low rail package on this boat, so you will not see any rails that are over the side of the rub rail. This is going to allow us to easily plumb a trolling motor to that fishing panel up in the bow. So if you want to hang a trolling motor off the bow, it's going to be super easy to do it on this layout. Then we also do have some of the cushions as well. So these are really, really intuitive, as all you got to do is flip them over to the side, gain access to a lot of your latches to open those compartments. And then, of course, we even have the cooler option with the seat on it as well. This is a great spot for an extra seat, and also comes in the fishing package. So anyways, guys, again, Connor with MarineMax. If you guys have any questions about this boat or want to go out on a demo, please just let us know. Thank you for watching.